I'm Marco. I'm 7 years old, with dreams of adventures so bright and bold. I wonder each day, what could I be? So, hop on my journey and dream along with me. I drive my pencil car, zoom down the lane, with my friend by my side, through sun and through rain. We laugh and we cheer as we're racing away. Maybe I'll be a race car driver someday. Then, in the kitchen, I try something new, with flour and sugar and eggs in a stew. I flip through my cookbook, the pages I turn. Someday I'll be a chef, so much to learn. Out in the park, my dog runs free. He dashes and barks, so happy to be. Maybe a vet's the job for me, to help little pets feel happy as can be. And deep in the sea, in my bright yellow sub, I sail with my friend, give the engine a rub. We dive through the water so fast and so blue, an ocean explorer. Hey, that could be true. Then up in the sky, on a pencil I fly. I loop through the clouds, way up so high. I'd pilot my plane to places unknown, a pilot of dreams where the wild winds have blown. I sit on the grass, just watching the clouds, seeing castles and giants and faces so proud. What if I could paint all I can see? An artist, perhaps. That's a good job for me. When night starts to fall, I float on a cloud, dreaming of wonders, my head feeling proud. I sleep on soft fluff, like pillows so light, and dream of tomorrow, all cozy at night. And then there's my book, where I scribble and write, stories of stars and adventures at night. An author I'd be, with words oh so bright, creating my worlds from morning till night. So many dreams of things I could do. The world's full of choices, exciting and new. But for now, I'll dream and let my heart soar free. The future will wait for the wonders I'll be. Thanks for dreaming big with us today on Smarty Tunes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another adventure. There's so much more fun and learning waiting for you. See you next time, dreamers.